Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with UNILAG Mathematics post UTME screening pass question. Question 6. A man buys 6 books and 3 bags. If a book costs 17 naira and a bag costs 25 naira, how much has he spent? A, it says 112 naira. B says 177 naira. C says 125 naira. And D, 150 naira. This is the post-UTME question for UNILAG, which is the University of Lagos. Now it says a man buys 6 books and 3 bags. Now each book costs how much? Each book costs 17 naira, and each bag costs how much? 25 naira. Now you tell yourself, since he bought 6 books, how much the amount he will spend for buying 6 books will be 6 multiplied by what? The price for the book. So that's 6 multiplied by 17. Now 6 multiplied by 17 gives you 102. It means he spent what? 102 naira for the books. 102 naira for the books. Now the man bought 3 bags. Now the amount he spent for bags. Now this is for books. Now the amount he spent for bags is equal to what? 3 bags by the number multiplied by the number, or the price for each bag, which is 25 naira. So now 25 multiplied by 3 will give you 75 naira. So 75 naira is the amount. So now the total amount he spent, the total money he spent will be this 75 plus the 25, and that's 75 naira plus 102. This is the plus 102 naira. Now 75 plus 102 naira gives you 177 naira, and this is the price the man spent for buying 6 books and 3 bags. That's option B, 177 naira. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.